Hey there, fabulous folks. Welcome back to How to Channel, your ultimate guide to all things tech, tips, and a splash of fun. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with our latest videos. And if you don't, well, my pet hamster might get a little sad. And trust me, you don't want to see a sad hamster. All right, let's get straight into today's topic: how to download copyright-free videos and images. Whether you're making a school project, a YouTube video, or just want to impress your friends, knowing where to find copyright-free content is a game changer. And don't worry, we'll keep it fun and simple. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we've got Pexels. Here's how to get there. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. If you're using another browser, well, why? Just kidding, any browser will do. Step 2. Click on that magical search button. Step 3. Type in pexels.com, not pexels.co, unless you want to end up somewhere strange.
Okay.
And boom! Click on the first link you see. Welcome to Pexels, the treasure trove of copyright-free videos and images. Seriously, it's like the Disneyland for content creators, minus the long lines and overpriced churros. Next, let's explore Pixabay, another awesome spot for copyright-free goodies. Follow me. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. By now, you're a pro at this. Step 2. Click on that trusty search button. Step 3. Type in Pixabay and hit enter. Step 4. Click on the first link. Step 5. Scroll down and find an image or video that catches your eye. Found it? Great. Look to the right, and you'll see Download Free. Click that, and just like magic, you've got yourself some awesome content.
Nice.
Last but not least, let's check out Lexica. This one's a bit different, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Step 1, you guessed it, open Google Chrome. Step 2, click on the search button. Step 3, type in lexica.ai and hit enter. Step 4. Click on the first link you see. Once you're in, use the search button to type in what kind of image you're looking for. Found one you like? Click on it, then hit that download button. Easy peasy. And there you have it. 3 fantastic websites where you can grab copyright-free videos and images without any hassle. Pexels, Pixabay, and Lexica are like the holy trinity of free content. Thanks for tuning in, techies. If you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Or else, my cat might just knock over your coffee tomorrow morning, and you don't want that. See you in the next video, and stay awesome.
Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody.